Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing get ready with me for my birthday. Hope you like this. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm wearing the white dress for my birthday, and this dress is from Acho. I am pairing it with the earring. Let's begin the video. I am using Emolline moisturizer to moisturize my skin. This moisturizer is for dry skin. If you are extremely oily skin, please skip this moisturizer. Now I am using MAC primer to prime my skin. This is a very important step if you have very large pores. The primer will blur out the large pores and it will give a nice base for the makeup. So don't skip the primer if you have large pores. Next I will be applying MAC strobe cream to the high points of my face like cheeks, forehead and nose. I want my skin to glow from inside, so I'm using the strobe cream. The strobe cream gives the internal glow I want. So if you also want the glow, you can use any strobe cream. As you can see, I have pigmentation and dark circles, so I'm using orange corrector from LA Girl to cancel out the blue undertones of the dark circles and pigmentation. It is very important to use the orange corrector if you have any pigmentation and dark circles. If you don't use the orange corrector, your foundation will look ashy and you don't want that. So don't skip the orange corrector if you have dark circles and pigmentation. And you can also use for the scars that is caused of pimples. Now I am applying foundation by MAC. My shade in the MAC foundation is NC 43.5. I'm applying the foundation all over my face, mainly the center part of my face by using a finger. Then later with the help of the brush, I'm blending out the foundation. You can see I'm not dragging the foundation where I have applied the orange corrector. If you drag the foundation where you have applied orange corrector, it will get mixed with the foundation and your foundation will look orange. Don't drag the foundation where you have applied the orange corrector. Instead, just tap the foundation where and all you have applied the orange corrector. Blending the foundation is very important. If you don't blend the foundation properly, it will look patchy. So take your time and blend the foundation properly. My skin type is oily skin, so I am using the MAC Matte Foundation. I am using the Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline in the shade Caramel for my under eye dark circles and also for my pigmentation, and also using the same concealer as a base for my eyeshadow, and also using it for highlighting my high points of my face like forehead, cheeks, the bridge of the nose. Now also you can notice that I am just tapping the concealer and not dragging the concealer. The caramel shade is like one or two shade lighter from my skin tone, so I use it as a highlighter also. It is also very important to blend out the concealer properly. If you don't blend the concealer properly, it will look patchy as you're applying the concealer on top of the foundation. I'm using Wet Beauty Blender to blend the concealer. I'm using the face palette by Wet n Wild in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'm using the yellow powder to powder my face. And also my under eyes. If you have fine under eye line, set it with the powder. If you don't set it with the powder, it will get smudged and it will settle in those lines. Now I'm using the contour shade caramel available in that face palette to contour my cheeks and nose. Contouring will give the shape to the face. I'm using the blush from the Makeup Revolution blush palette. I'm blending the blush with the help of the brush. I like to apply the blush to the upper part of my cheekbones. It gives the lifted look to my face. I'm blending out the blush with the help of the powder brush so that it blends out very smoothly. I'm highlighting my face with the highlighter shade that was available in my eyeshadow palette, the Morphe Jeffree Star. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and brow bone. I have taken brown color from the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'm applying it to the crease area and outer corner of my eyes, blending the eyeshadow so that it doesn't look patchy. I have taken the shimmer shade in the name 2 and applying it to the 3/4 of the inner corner of my eyes and blending it with the matte brown shade. Now I'm filling my eyebrows by using the gray color that was available in the same eyeshadow palette. First, I will be outlining the eyebrow, later, I will be filling it. I'm using the Maybelline eyeliner to draw my liner. I'll be doing a winged eyeliner for this makeup look. I like a simple winged eyeliner for this makeup look, so I'm going for a simple one. I also like to line my inner corner of my eyes, so I'm doing that. I'm using the mascara from Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is a very good mascara. If you don't want to use the false eyelash, then you can use this mascara. I'm filling my under eyes by Maybelline Kajal pens. And then later I'm using the black eyeshadow under the kajal so that it won't smudge. Here I'm using the lipstick by MAC in the shade Ruby Woo. This shade looks very good for all skin types. And here this is the look. I hope you all like this. Please comment down below if you like the video, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. See you in the next video. Have a great day.